This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming runtime and Python version. This avoids library mismatches later. Mount Google Drive when datasets exceed the session storage, because Drive persists between restarts. If you prefer quick tests, use the File Upload widget for single files. Once mounted or uploaded, list files to verify paths and permissions. Make sure to extract compressed archives and set a clear folder structure so later code can reference consistent paths. Now you load data with the appropriate loader. Choose Pandas for CSVs, TF, Data for TensorFlow pipelines or Torch, Utils, Data for PyTorch. If files are compressed, unzip into /content for faster I/O or operate directly on the Drive path to save space. Once loaded, run quick checks, sample rows, confirm column types, and ensure labels align. If shapes mismatch, reshape or convert types. This prevents runtime. Finish by saving process datasets and checkpoints to Google Drive or cloud storage so you avoid repeating work. Commit preprocessing steps into a clear script and record random seeds for reproducibility. Once done, run a small training or inference pass to confirm everything wired correctly. If uploads fail, check drive quotas, file permissions, or intermittent network issues, remount Drive or re-authenticate. If paths still break, print absolute paths and verify file existence. This quickly reveals common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.